How to get antenna TV on Samsung Smart TV. Step number 1. Connect an antenna. Plug your digital or indoor antenna into the RF input on the back of your Samsung Smart TV. Open the Home menu. Press the Home button on your Samsung remote to access the Smart Hub main menu. Step number 3. Go to the Source menu. Use the arrow keys on your remote to navigate to Source and select it. Choose TV as the input source. Step number 4. Access channel settings. Go to Settings, Broadcasting, Auto Program. Note, if the broadcasting option is grayed out, make sure your TV is set to TV mode rather than HDMI or another input. Step number 5. Begin channel scan. Select Auto Program and then choose Air for antenna channels, cable, or both depending on what channels you want to receive. Step number 6. Wait for the scan to complete. The TV will scan for available over-the-air channels. This process may take a few minutes as it detects all possible channels. Step number 7. Browse and watch channels. After the scan is complete, you can use the channel up-down buttons on your remote to browse through available antenna channels.